Azure App Service comes with many features. I'll show you one more, easy authentication. Let's go back to the Azure portal and our web app. Okay, down here in the menu is Authentication. Let's take a look. I can choose an identity provider to use and authenticate users to this app. Let's go. These are all the providers that I can choose from. Lots of very useful ones. When I pick one of these, it means that users authenticate with that provider, not my app, and when they are authenticated, they can use my app. So let's pick the Microsoft provider, so users with a Microsoft account. Okay, this will create an app registration, which is an entry in Azure Active Directory, the master identity provider that we use in Azure. And I can select some more options as well. Down here, I can choose what happens. So I want to restrict access to my app. The app requires authentication, so only lets authenticated users in. Also, I can set the permissions that are asked of a user that is authenticating. In this case, my app only wants to sign in and read the user's profile. Alright, that looks good. Let's add this provider. And that should be it. It can take a while until the app registration in Azure Active Directory has completed. But here is the URL, and let's try it out. Here we go. It asks for permission. I am already logged in with my Microsoft account in my Azure Active Directory tenant. That's the account I use for the Azure portal. So after that, it asks for permission to sign in and read my profile. Okay, and I can use the app as an authenticated user. And that was very easy, right? Now, this feature is great for apps that need authentication for all pages. If you need more control over authentication, you can use Azure Active Directory.